Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're in a different place today. It's called McLean Mill. It's an old sawmill built in the 20s on Vancouver Island, and what's really kind of neat about it right now is it's closed for the season, but it's a National Historic Site, so you can actually come in here all year round. It's free to come into. The only thing is when it's in the off season, they don't have the guided tours, but you can still free to walk around. So I'll kind of move around a little bit here. It's an old mill site. There's tons of old buildings to check out here. So what I'm going to do is I've got the X100v. I'm going to take some pictures using the autumn gold film simulation. That would be a good fit. The colors are kind of changing, so I figured to give it a try. I will share the recipe down in the description below to be sure to try it out. So there's lots of old buildings here, lots of old vehicles to check out. I hope you enjoy these photos.